Hello, Forever family. I am so delighted to spend a little time with you talking about two incredible nutritional systems that were designed to work in harmony together to help you achieve the best version of you. We know that you love C9 and the results that you're getting with it. What if I told you that there's a better way that you can get even greater results with C9? Since 2019, we've been researching ways to make C9 even better. There's a common reason why people struggle with weight management systems like C9, and that has to do with getting your mind and your body ready for making changes in your lifestyle and your eating habits. That's where DX4 comes in. This 4-day body balancing system prepares your body for all the amazing nutrients that you'll get during C9. It's the perfect system to start with because it gets your body and your mind ready for a lifestyle change. So, how exactly does DX4 do this? DX4 works as a reset for your body and your mind by combining 7 nutritional supplements and products that support satiety, hydration, energy, and metabolism with a structured, clean eating plan and mindfulness practices. You can't do one without the other. You need both to be successful. This program includes things such as learning the power of pausing, getting outside to feel the sun and breathe the fresh air, taking time to set a goal, making the awareness of how nutrient-dense food feels in your body, taking the time to understand the power of forever living supplements when you introduce them into a body that is filled with nutrient-dense food. It also includes writing down what you're grateful for as you experience the effects of the program. This is powerful. Gratitude helps connect you to the program, the products, and your end result. This balance of addressing both the physical health with mindfulness helps purge your body of the unnecessary clutter and the stressors that you consume throughout your life. And it provides only the essential nutrition intended to recenter your mind and your body. Through all of this, DX4 helps you become more mindful and in tune with your body's needs and nutritional intake. It allows you to listen to your body and understand what it needs for more energy, for cognition, for a happier, healthier, fuller life filled with wellness. And it helps you through the intentions that you set during this program. In fact, the intention of DX4 is to help you reassess your relationship with food and your lifestyle and make those subtle changes. The goal is to improve your mind-body connection so that you can understand what food and lifestyle changes you might need to make these programs successful going forward. As a jumpstart to better health, DX4 sets the perfect groundwork for continuing a weight management journey with C9. It's the perfect introduction. In fact, C9 is a 9-day nutritional change system, which combines 5 nutritional products and supplements with a program of light movement, healthy recipes, and free foods that provide a nutrient boost. Those movement activities are not things that you need to create. In fact, you're probably doing them already. These can include simple activities such as doing your laundry, going to get the mail, doing landscaping in your yard, or simply running after very busy children. They all count because movement matters. And just like DX4, all aspects of the C9 program work together to help you to continue to make positive changes to your nutritional intake and to acknowledge, experience, and recognize your improved wellness. You'll learn to make better decisions about food and incorporate those decisions and daily movement into your healthier lifestyle. Both programs are made very easy with checklists for each day, so you always know what to do and when to do them and when to take the supplements required throughout the program. By completing DX4, you'll prepare your body for the next step in C9, which is eating that nutrient-rich food which supports your health while moving in ways that stimulate your metabolism and help you stay centered. Ultimately, the goal is to set yourself up for the most success possible by clearing the clutter with DX4 and then building off of that reset with C9 so that you experience a transformation in your health. It's been so lovely to spend time with you, and I hope you'll recognize the power these two programs have together. As always, I am sending you a great wish for continued success as you introduce DX4 and C9 to the forever world, and I'm always sending you the biggest hugs and loves. Bye.